To install Yasmine, the first thing we need to do is unzip the artifacts file. Once this has been unzipped, we need to make sure that we have the proper environment for Python set up. So we need Python 3.6.5 or newer, and we're going to use Python's virtual environment. So using this command, we can install a virtual environment for this download directory. And when this is completed, the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and activate this virtual environment. So we're going to be working in a Python sandbox. At this point, we're going to use pip to install Yasmine. Go into the artifacts folder that we've unzipped and go down until we find the tar.gz file containing Yasmine, and we'll use pip to install Yasmine in this virtual environment. This will take some time. On this machine right now, it's actually running a virus scanner before doing this, but that's just how I have my computer set up. You'll start seeing the text shortly of the installation of Yasmine. And once this starts flowing, this will also take a little bit of time for all the components to get installed in their proper location. Because we're working with virtual environment, which is a sandbox, all the files from Yasmine will be held within this folder. So Yasmine will be able to exist on your machine all alone without impacting any other aspects of your computer. Whenever you want to run Yasmine, you will have to execute that activate script again. Once we get Yasmine installed, we're going to actually do an update of the database and make sure everything's up to date before starting the server. If you want to go ahead and skip ahead to the 4-minute mark of this video, feel free to do that. At this time, the Yasmine's been installed correctly. If you want, you can go ahead and upgrade pip. It did just recommend us to do that, but we're not going to do that right now. We will now look inside the Yasmine environment file just to make sure that Yasmine's been installed correctly. You'll see Yasmine app.py at the end there. This is where we will perform the update. And now we can launch the Yasmine server. This server runs locally. It will respond to HTTP web requests. So what we're doing is we're running a standalone web server on your machine. It cannot be reached from any other machines. And at this point, it's running successfully. You can open a browser, type in just the string localhost in the browser URL window, hit return, and you will see the Yasmine GUI at this point. and how to use Yasmine will be the subject of another training session. Thank you.